I'll share a case of drying roses. These are the roses just picked. After sorting, put them on a plate, then put them on the drying cart. Wait for pushing it into the drying room. This drying room adopts a left-right circulation air circuit. This drying room can hold 14 to 16 drying carts. There are 3 drying rooms this time. So the drying time, the expected is about 15 to 18 hours. How about the drying effect of roses? We can see that roses have shrunk significantly. Next, let's take a look after about 12 hours of drying, what the roses have reached. We can see that this rose is almost 90% dry. It can be collected in a while. Okay, next, let's pour out the dried roses. Pour them out.